To make a space accessible to users who aren't logged in or anonymous users, the space can be made public. By making the space public, you cannot choose who can view content in the space. A public space can be seen by anyone inside or outside your organization. The administrator must first grant global permissions to anonymous users so that spaces can be made public. These global permissions don't automatically give anonymous users the ability to view any content on the site. However, the global permission must be activated so that the space administrator can allow access to anonymous users. As a space administrator, you can set your space to be public. Click Space Tools in the sidebar, then click Permissions. Under Anonymous Access, click Edit Permissions. Here, you can configure specific permissions and click on Save All. Space Administrator and page restrictions cannot be granted to an anonymous user. When your system is behind a firewall, only users authorized to be in your system will have access. By granting anonymous users access, you provide free access to users who almost never use the system and don't personally need to interact with it, without posing a big security risk to the company. This can help you save on license costs.